Hello, ladies and gentlemen, crypto deep divers. Welcome back to Wickedly Crypto. So today I'm going to touch on Cardano. Of course, we're going to talk about Sam Bankman-Fried. Of course, he is not in jail. Of course, we know that. If you follow my channel, you probably know what I'm talking about. And before we get into that, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out the upcoming video that could be time sensitive. Also, you can follow me on Bitchute. For Bitchute, I usually post this type of video. I can't even talk about in YouTube like this type. I posted more than 1 year ago. And of course, at the time when nobody have any clue what's going on and all that. And you can go to watch this FTX Trojan horse, then you know what I'm talking about. Why he is not in jail. I mean, you know that. And of course, so also you can follow me on Gather and Twitter. For fun stuff, I usually post on Rumble. I also have a Patreon group, so if you follow me throughout the pandemic, you're already ahead of the game because you know this coronavirus long time ago when nobody even talked about it back in January, February 2020. We know all this all along. So it's no surprise, but people just watch mainstream media, so they got brainwashed, unfortunately. So let's talk about Cardano. So Cardano, I first talked about Cardano back in 2017. At the time, it was like 7 cents or 7 cents or 9 cents. And at the time, nobody even talked about Cardano at the time. So if you bought Cardano at the time, now you're still doing okay. I mean, come on. So right now, the Cardano whales accumulate 83 million worth of ADA. The price, of course, continue to drop. I'm not surprised. Right now, we are in a bear market cycle. Everything, of course, is going down. But the thing is, now is also a good opportunity to look for potential projects that will have good opportunity for the next bull run. You can start looking at those projects that has the potential, and I think it's a good idea just to find something interesting. Then if there's a dip, it's a good idea to buy. Oh, not a financial advice. Once again, when usually do the opposite what the make the crowd doing, right? When nobody wants it, you want to go and buy. When everybody wants it, you don't want to buy at all. Just like the real estate market last year, right? Remember during the COVID, I think the real estate price gone haywire, right? Back in January, February this year, the real estate market has been on fire, right? Because of the easy money policy and all that. And you have like 10 or multiple offers. But right now, because of the increase so much of the interest rate, right now the real estate market not doing really well. And they're talking about the upcoming collapse or whatever. But I'm not surprised. But anyway, so they talk about so because November is not a good month for the crypto because of the FTX debacle, and also but the thing is, some whales they're buying Cardano, and they pocket ADA worth about 83 million since November 7, and Cardano investor holding 10k 10,000 to 100,000 ADA. Hey, by the way, 10,000 ADA is not that much, to be honest. I mean, if you buy a long time ago, I mean, 10,000 ADA is, I mean, and also the number of token in ADA is more than, is a lot. So, I mean, if you hold 10k of ADA, I don't think is anything. I mean, those are not a whale, right? So they are holding 10k to 100k. ADA were holding the largest percentage of supply since June 2021, and these sharks had a whopping 4 billion ADA in total. As mentioned earlier, 331 million ADA worth 83 million were added after the FTX debacle. I think they just shift from one token to another token. That's all. I mean. And also they take advantage of the drawdown of the price and all that. So you're seeing that the address with the 10k to 100k ADA now hold their largest percentage of supply in a year and a half. That is, I think, yeah. So you can see, like right now they're holding a lot of ADA token, and most of the market are skeptical about buying the dip, but Cardano sharks make the most out of it. And of course, the price still keep on dropping. But the thing is, it doesn't matter. If you look at the indicator, if it's meet the indicator, you buy, you execute. It doesn't matter. Like, you can never buy at the very bottom, and you can never sell at the very top. I mean, most institution investor, they just look at the indicator, and then you just go and buy. It's very difficult to catch the bottom. I mean, you must be very lucky to catch the bottom. As long as it meet the indicator, you just execute and buy. That's all. I mean, no emotion whatsoever. That is very important in trading. The asset was trading as high as 42 cents or 43 cents in November, and then the asset dropped to as low as 24 cents early this week, and maybe just pump and dump, I guess. And either witnessed minimum uptrend throughout the last couple of weeks, and the asset was trading at almost 30 cents. And also, in the on-chain data show Cardano surpassed Ethereum and Litecoin in terms of volume. And the asset witnessed a transaction volume of 2.34 billion. And for Bitcoin, it has 2.9 billion. Oh, wow. It's almost very 2.34 billion for Cardano, and then Bitcoin transaction 2.9 billion. That's a lot. And the total number of transactions on the network was 200,000, and the number of transactions was over 80,000, and the number of active address on Cardano networks was 77,000. Ethereum, of course, is the second biggest cryptocurrency, and also Litecoin also because a lot of places they accept Litecoin, Bcash for the transaction, and of course Bitcoin they accept sure. So I'm not surprised. Litecoin is also has a lot of transaction data, and so this is for Cardano. I'm still bullish on Cardano in long term, and just like Polkadot, I'm still bullish on Polkadot as well. So I think it's a good time to look at which altcoin you're interested, and then just based on technical analysis, set the price and buy. I mean, look at the chart. And then maybe it may go even lower. We don't know. Not a financial advice, once again. So you should responsible for your money. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just saying when people don't want it, you want to buy it. When people chasing it, you should not buy it. So that's always the opposite what the crowd is doing. And in terms of Sam Bankman-Fried, of course, he's out of jail. He extradited from Bahamas to the U.S. and they're posting a 250 million bond. But the thing is, he paid nothing to get out of the jail. Basically 250, I don't know where did he got the 250 million. That means he probably has he know probably a well-connected person to give this guy like 200 some million as a bond, as a collateral or something, because they're using the parents' home in Palo Alto, 4 million. So the rest is another private individual to put 200 over 200 million bonds for this guy. So he is very well connected to some people higher up, obviously. And of course, he's not in jail. And people spot him in the JFK airport last night, flying business class in the business class lounge. You can see he seems to be enjoying himself, right? And then he's flying business class. You can see going to the parents' home. Parents' house in Palo Alto. I mean, the thing is, the parents are only Stanford professor, right? There's a house worth 4 million. I mean, it's pretty normal in California. Even a small house like somewhere down in Bay Area is at least 1 million. So 4 million home in Palo Alto is not surprised. But the thing is, the rest of the 200 million, some private individual, well-connected individual probably helped this guy. So he know people from high up, and of course, they are so well connected. And the father is also a law professor, right? So they know how to play the law. They know. I mean, they also know they are well connected. They know well connected people higher up. So he is not in jail. So there's a two tier of the judicial system. Unfortunately, the rich and the poor. So you can see you can see the reality. But unfortunately, some people still don't see it. I mean, they still drinking the Kool-Aid, thinking that we have a very fair system. But anyway, let me know what you think about this SPF. I would love to hear from you. He's flying business class using client money, embezzlement, basically embezzle the money, like 8 billion. 8 billion is already gone. Let me know what you think about this guy. Comment below. I would love to hear from you. And how about Cardano project? Do you bullish on Cardano? I would love to hear from you. If you find this video helpful, smash the like button, subscribe to my channel. Also share with your friends. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out the upcoming videos that could be time sensitive. Also, you can follow me on Twitter, Gather, Rumble, Bitchute. And I also have a Patreon group. If you're interested, you can check them out. Also, I'm on Odysee as well. Remember, crypto deep divers, we the people take control of our money. Stay wise, stay safe, peace. I'm not your financial advisor. Investing in cryptocurrency, commodity, and stock market can have inherent risk. Please use your due diligence. This video is only for entertainment purposes, not a financial advice. You should consult with your financial planner. Any content in this video is for entertainment purposes, not a financial advice. You should consult with a financial planner. And I'm not responsible for any loss for this video, future video, or previous video. As I said, this is for entertainment purposes, not a financial advice. You are responsible for your money. And peace out.